Guys, today we are given the front elevation of a cube inclined to the horizontal plane, and we are asked to draw an auxiliary elevation on the ground line. So now in this question, this is the cube, and then we need to draw an auxiliary elevation on the ground line. So this auxiliary elevation will be parallel to this line though. So now this view is not complete, the plan is not complete. We're asked to complete the plan. So in this case, the first thing you should notice is that you are looking in this direction, and this is a cube. It's as if it has been raised from this bottom, this left bottom. This left bottom has been raised. So you can see that this complete side will be visible, this side will also be visible, this side will be visible, but this side will not be visible. This edge is here, will no longer be visible. So it has come over here. So that means this edge here, when the cube has been raised, this edge protrudes. This edge has already protruded to this side. So and this edge here will not be visible. So there will be we'll use dotted line to complete the plan. So this is the completion of the plan. So we have this here. But that's not all. We also need to know whether this side will be visible. So of course this will be visible because this is the top, and it will also be seen from here. So let's make use of visible lines for that. So now this is the front elevation, and this is the complete plan. So the next step is for us to proceed to draw the auxiliary elevation. So now the auxiliary elevation is drawn from the plan, as I've been mentioning in the previous episode. So what you need to do is first of all you need to radiate lines from all the vertices of this object. So that's exactly what I'll do now. So I'll radiate lines from all the vertices. So this is another vertex. Radiate line from this vertex, then from that edge vertex, radiate lines. Also radiate lines from the top too. This vertex here. Vertex here. So good, we've radiated lines. Then I will extend these radiated lines too, so that they will be able to they'll be extended through the whole length of the auxiliary elevation. I'm extending the lines here. So this one here extended, and this extended here, and for this here also extended here, and for this extended, and finally this extended. So the more the line shows that the auxiliary elevation is going to have a lot of edges. So let's draw auxiliary elevation starting from here. So starting from here, so from this point we'll draw a perpendicular to this line. That would be the axis of the auxiliary elevation. So let's draw a perpendicular and using the protractor so to pass through here. So let's connect this. So finally this is our ground line. This is the ground line of the. So you can also thicken it though, but don't make it too thick. It's going to be the ground line of the auxiliary elevation. So the next step is for us to transfer all the horizontal distances from the front elevation. So basically, when we begin to do that, we need to transfer the horizontal distances from the front elevation. So these distances will become the horizontal distances of the auxiliary plan. So transfer the horizontal distances from the front elevation to form the auxiliary elevation rather. So this from the auxiliary elevation. So we'll draw a line. So we could also use it on this axis, but I'll like to extend it to the right. So extend it to the right, we have crossing here. So let's call these A, B, C, and D. Now the so they will also correspondingly call this this will be for A stroke B. This will be for so actually the bottom side, this will be for A stroke B. This will be for, let's call this E and F. This will be for E and F, E stroke F. This will be for C stroke D, C stroke D. So that's how it is. Okay, this G and H. So this will be for G stroke H. So the next step is for us to transfer these distances from the bottom. So you can see that the G and H is the bottom. So open from G and H to A and B, will transfer that length to So G and H, it corresponds to this line. So let's transfer it on this line. So to start the transfer, so from G and H to A and D. So what I'm doing, I'm transferring this horizontal length to the I also have this G and H to the top. That's in. So basically, so the next thing is to draw lines parallel to the ground line of the auxiliary elevation. So this auxiliary elevation is very similar to the auxiliary plan. There's nothing very different about them. You just have to follow the procedures and you'll be good. So then we have, let's correspond them. This is G and H. This is also A and B, A stroke B. This is C stroke D, and this is E stroke F. So corresponding, now we need to intersect them. At G and H, it is a baseline, so it will be intersecting itself here. So we also have the line from so yes, G and H intersects itself. Though actually this G intersects itself here. So we have an intersection here instead. So G also intersects, no, that's for the bottom. Then H intersects at the bottom here. So this will be the side. This is hidden though, but at the base. So at this end, we can see it here. Since this is hidden, we won't really be able to see this. So we'll be able to see this side, B and A. So at the baseline, so they intersect B. So this is B and A. So they intersect each other here. We can see them here, B and A on this line. So we also have A and D will be visible. So from A to D will be visible here. This will be visible. So you can see what we are forming here. We're forming this shape. So on this ground line, what can we see? You can see G and H here. Yes, at the ground line. Though they are quite invisible, but you can see it has been turned. We'll still be able to see it. Then also have we can see F and H, they are visible. So this F and H will intersect here. F, this is for the F. Intersect here, you can see F. Then and H, we can also see H here. So H corresponds here. H corresponds at the bottom, you can see H here. So this is H. So we have this point here. Then what else can we see? We can also see so the but we can't really see G. I don't think we can't see G. So G, we can't see G. We won't be able to see G. G will be invisible. Then the next step we'll see, we can't see C, but we'll have to do intersection. It's right here. Then E, we can't see E, but we'll have to draw the intersection, which is right here. E is at the very top. Then finally we have so that's it. So the next step is to join the points. So you need to verify that this will make meaningful sense. So obviously it does. So this will be invisible. Let's draw it. Let's trace the points. So we have the visible sides. So this to H looks parallel. So this side will be visible. It's on the visible end. You should know that. Remember that this figure has been tilted. So you would expect a cube, but a tilted cube. So that's exactly how the auxiliary view will look like here. So these are the visible sides here. Then we also have the invisible sides. So we'll trace them to the bottom here. These are the invisible sides, making use of. So they are on the opposite sides to C and D. So we also have the invisible. They are hidden from the sights of the viewer. So that's why we say they are invisible. Not as if they are invisible, but they are not visible to the viewer. So now this is the auxiliary view. So this is how it looks, and this is how to draw the auxiliary elevation of a tilted cube. So I hope you enjoyed and understood this. Thanks for watching.